Signature Campers has always been known with using the latest and greatest in innovative products, and this here is a Cruisemaster airbag suspension kit with hydraulic brakes. There's a new system, 3-ton rated from Cruisemaster, all Australian made. We're installing it here in our factory in Sydney, so let's take a deeper dive into some of this really cool new technology that's going into the hybrid campers. Now this is one impressive system, so if you're looking to take your off-road adventures to the next level, you've got to consider upgrading your new SCT hybrid camper or caravan with the Cruisemaster ATX airbag suspension system. Built to handle the roughest terrain with unmatched comfort and precision, the Cruisemaster ATX airbag suspension system means you'll actually enjoy superior stability, effortless control and seamless adaptability no matter how demanding the road ahead may be. The expertly engineered system is built for adventurers who crave durability and performance. Included in the ATX airbag suspension pack, you'll find everything you need for the ultimate setup. It includes a wide air control system featuring a compressor, air tank and leveling controls, custom Firestone airbags with adjustable height and stability, 12-inch premium ventilated hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power, locking camber and tow adjustment for straighter tracking and reduced wear and tear, and the M60 Unleashed upgrade kit, which includes adjustable 60mm monotube piggyback shock absorbers with reinforced stainless steel shock mounts. Not only does the system actually provide unrivaled handling, but it's also designed to reduce vibration and wear and tear on the camper's chassis, prolonging the life of your camper. One of the really cool little features about this setup, which is just, incredibly handy when you get to camp, is you can actually level the trailer itself. So it comes with a control panel with a couple of toggle switches, and basically if you're on uneven terrain, the side that you've picked is a little bit off camber, you can actually use the airbag suspension system, level your trailer up. How cool is that? Not only that, but it's also actually got a point where you can plug in an air hose. So if you've dropped your tire pressures because you're on the beach or you're doing dirt road driving, use the onboard air compressor system to pump the tires back up. How fit's that? And every detail has been designed for ultimate reliability, including a tough 63mm start axle, high performance shock absorbers, inbuilt cable management. Cruisemaster ATX kit is adventure proven, making it dependable for your most ambitious off-road adventures. The Cruisemaster ATX airbag suspension system, when installed with Signature Campers, actually includes a lifetime warranty on the suspension parts, and it's been engineered, tested and built in Australia. Whether you're navigating the rugged trails, cruising the highway or setting up for a night under the stars, the system is your key to comfort, safety and total control. Don't just explore, unleash your next adventure. Upgrade your Signature camper with the latest from Cruisemaster. The best adventure is just around the corner.